You know that feeling where you've just finished a course and you feel like you get it, but then you actually try it out on a whiteboard and your mind just goes completely blank? That's what our new breakout sessions are designed to fix. Think of it as a quick sanity check before you move on. It's not a test and there are no timers, it's just a quick one-on-one discussion to help you close the loop on what you've just studied. So I'm going to start by setting my experience level, let's say it's 1 year. The AI will then adapt its persona to match that so it feels less like a lecture and more like a collab. For this session, I'm going to be checking my understanding of distributed caching. The more I talk to it, the more the AI picks up on how I learn. If I use analogies, it's going to continue those analogies in its response. If I prefer step-by-step logic, it's going to shift to that style. And if I miss a trade-off or give an incomplete answer, the AI is not just going to correct me. It guides me through the reasoning to help me find the answer myself. I don't just have to type answers either. I can go over to the canvas, I can drag nodes around and architect my solution the way that I want. I can even record my voice if I get tired of typing. When we finish, the AI points out exactly where my foundation is solid and where I might have some cracks. This ensures I'm not building on top of a shaky knowledge base when I move on to the next concept. Stop hoping that it stuck and make sure that it did. Breakout sessions are continuously being rolled out into courses, so the next time you see one, try it out and see how it helps.